The Common Core state standards for mathematics were built on three principles: focus, coherence, and rigor. Focus means that the standards significantly narrow the scope of content, allowing teachers to deepen their approach. Fractions in particular are largely supported with a number line and key concepts such as the meaning of fractions, reasoning about fractions with fraction equivalence and comparison, the four arithmetic operations, and the connections between fractions and decimals. Coherence means that the standards carefully connect the learning within and across grades so that students can build new understanding onto foundations built in previous years. This module in particular will explore the connections between core concepts in fractions. By rigor, we mean that the standards describe a balance between conceptual understanding, procedural fluency, and applications. Our goal is to help teachers understand this balance with respect to fraction concepts. To give an idea of how the three principles of Common Core work in concert and create a different approach than you might be used to, let's look at a specific example. A student faced with 3 1/2 plus 3 1/2 might do this by expressing both mixed numbers as fractions, adding those fractions together, and expressing the answer back again as a whole or mixed number. While Common Core mentions this approach, a student taught with the focus, coherence, and rigor in the Common Core has the understanding and flexibility to decompose and rearrange the sum to arrive at the answer in a different way. Explaining reasoning requires more than just doing the math. Let's look again at the second procedure for adding 3 1/2 plus 3 1/2. Each mathematical step can be explained verbally in terms of the meaning of mixed numbers, fractions, and the properties of addition. Reasoning can also use diagrams, which are specifically mentioned in the Common Core standards. The intention of these videos is to highlight and explain the important mathematics content within the fraction progression. It should help you understand that using the CCSS will result in not only greater procedural fluency, but also greater understanding for students.